Hello everyone, welcome to Education KA channel. Today I have one exercise like on screen. Solve equation for power log basic 4 of 5 power x over 5 plus 20 root 5 power 2x minus 20 equals 6 over 5. Do you know how to solve it? If you know, please do it. If you don't know, please look at the solution. But before we go to the solution, don't forget to subscribe, like the video for more exciting video, and go to the solution together. We have 4 power log basic 4 of 5 power x over 5. We can use the rule a power log basic a of x is equal 8. So that we use the rule, we can write 5 power x over 5 plus, and this part we also can use the rule and root of a power m equal a power m over n. So I can write 5 power 2x minus 20 over 20 equal 6 over 5. And I can write 5 power x over 5 plus 5 power 2x over 20 minus 20 over 20 equal 6 over 5. And then I can write 5 power x over 5 plus 5 over 5 power x over 10 minus 1 equal 6 over 5. And then I can write 5 power 2 times x over 10 plus 5 power x over 10 divide 5 equal 6 over 5. And I can write 5 power x over 10 all square plus 5 power x over 10 all over 5 equal 6 over 5. And then I multiply both sides of this equation by 5. So we get 5 times 5 power x over 10 all square plus 5 power x over 10 equal 6. So I can let 5 power x over 10 by t. So I let t equal 5 power x over 10, that t is positive. So we get 5t squared plus t equals 6. And I change 6 from the right side to the left side. We get 5t squared plus t minus 6 is equal 0. So we use the rule, use a plus b plus c equals 0. We get t1 equal 1 and t2 equal c over a and equal c minus 6. c minus 6, so we get minus 6 minus 6 over 5 is negative number, so we don't use, so we don't take it. If t is equal 1, so we let t is 5 power 8 over 10 is equal 1, so 8 over 10 is equal 0 and it is equal 0. This is our solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe my channel for more exciting video. Goodbye.